Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Inside Winner. LSGD AE Overseer Grade 1, അതേപോലെ കേരള വാട്ടർ അതോറിറ്റി, KSCB തുടങ്ങി അസിസ്റ്റന്റ് എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് പോസ്റ്റുകളിലേക്കും ഓവർസിയർ പോസ്റ്റുകളിലേക്കും പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്ന സ്റ്റുഡൻസിന് സ്പെഷ്യലായിട്ട് വളരെ സിമ്പിളായിട്ട് എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു തിയറി ക്ലാസ് വീഡിയോയാണിത്. നിങ്ങൾ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ഈ ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. Paints, varnishes and distempers. Paints are coatings of fluid materials and they are applied over the surface of timber and metals. Varnishes are transparent or nearly transparent solutions of resinous materials and they are applied over the painted surface. The distempers are applied over the plastered surfaces. Pigment volume concentration number is equal to V1 by V1 plus V2, where V1 is equal to volume of pigment in the paint, V2 is equal to volume of non-volatile vehicle or carrier in the paint. The higher the pigment volume concentration number, the lower will be the durability and gloss of the paint. Ingredients of oil-borne paint. First one, base. It is a solid substance in a fine state of division and it forms the bulk of a paint. Commonly used bases are, first one, white lead. It is a carbonate of lead. It forms the base of lead paints. It is suitable for wood surfaces. Second one, red lead. It is an oxide of lead. It forms the base of lead paint. It is suitable for painting iron surface and priming coat to the wood surface. It is also called as Drier. Third one, oxide of zinc or zinc white. It forms the base of zinc paints. It is transparent, non-poisonous and it is costly, less durable and difficult to work. Next one, oxide of iron. It forms the base of all iron paints. It is generally used for priming coat of ironwork. Next one, titanium white. It is a non-poisonous and provides a thin transparent film. It is used for receiving the coat of enamel. Next one, antimony white. It is similar to titanium white. Next one, aluminum powder. It keeps the moisture content of the wood surface practically the same. Generally used for priming coat to new woodwork. Lithophone. This is a mixture of zinc sulfide and barytes. It is used for interior or of inferior nature as it changes color when exposed to daylight. Second one, vehicle. These are the liquid surfaces which hold the ingredients of paint. These are also known as carriers. The commonly used vehicles are linseed oil, tung oil, poppy oil, nut oil. What is linseed oil? It is the most commonly used vehicle in oil paint. It is extracted from flax seeds. Next one, tung oil. It is superior to linseed oil and is used for preparing paints of superior quality. Next one, poppy oil. It is prepared from poppy seeds. It dries slowly and its color lasts long. It is used for making paints of very delicate color. Nut oil. It is extracted from ordinary walnuts. It is cheap and it does not provide a durable finish and is used for ordinary work. Now third one, dryers in paint accelerate the process of drying. They may be either in the form of soluble dryers or in the form of paste dryers. Soluble dryers are compounds of metals such as cobalt, lead, manganese, etc. dissolved in linseed oil or some other volatile liquid. Paste dryers are compounds of same metals mixed with inert fillers such as barytes, whiting, etc. and then ground in linseed oil. Litharge, red lead and sulfate of manganese can also be used as dryers. The litharge is most commonly used dryer. Fourth one, coloring pigments. Coloring pigments are added in paint to get the desired color. The coloring pigments used to create a particular tint of a paint are black, graphite, lamp black, ivory black, vegetable black, blue, indigo, Prussian blue brown, burned umber, raw umber, green, chrome green, copper sulfate, red, carmine red lead, vermilion red. Next one, yellow, chrome yellow, rosina, yellow ochre, zinc chrome. Next one, solvents. Solvent or thinner is used to make the paint thin so that it can be easily applied on the surface. Spirit of turpentine is the most commonly used solvent. Defects in painting. First one, blistering. This defect is caused by water vapor trapped behind the painted surface. It occurs due to imperfect seasoning of timber, excess oil used in final coat, etc. Next one, bloom. Due to the defect in paint or bad ventilation, dull patches are formed on the finished polished surface. This defect is known as bloom. Next one, fading. Fading is the gradual loss of color. It is due to the effect of sunlight on the pigments of paint. Next one, flaking. Due to poor adhesion, small portion of the painted surface is sometimes seen loose. This defect is known as flaking. Next one, flashing. In this type of defect, glossy patches are seen on the painted surface. It is due to poor workmanship, cheap paint or weather action. Next one, grinning. When the final coat of a paint has not sufficient opacity, the background is clearly seen. This defect is known as grinning. And what is running? When the surface to be painted is too smooth, the paint runs back and leaves small areas of surface uncovered. This defect is known as running. Sagging. This defect occurs when a vertical or inclined surface is too thickly painted. Saponification. The formation of soap patches on the painted surface is known as saponification. This defect is due to the chemical action of alkalis. Wrinkling. This defect becomes prominent when a horizontal surface is too thickly painted. Next one, varnishing. Varnish is a solution of resins or resinous substances prepared either in alcohol, oil or turpentine. The ingredients of varnish are resins or resinous substances. Commonly used resins are opal lac or shellac and rosin. Driers. These are used to accelerate the process of drying. The commonly used driers are litharge, white copper or lead acetate. And solvents. Different types of solvents used are boiled linseed oil, methylated spirit of varnish, turpentine and wood naphtha. Types of varnishes. Depending upon the solvent, the varnishes are classified into 4 categories. In this type of varnish, linseed oil is used as solvent. Oil varnish dries slowly, but it forms hard and durable surface. They are used on coaches and fittings in houses. Second one, in spirit varnish, the solvent used is methylated spirit of varnish. They are generally used for furniture. French polish is a variety of spirit varnish. French polish is one of the finest finishes for ornamental furniture prepared from superior quality of wood. Next one, turpentine varnish. Turpentine is used as solvent in this type of varnish. Fourth one, water varnishes. The solvent used in this type of varnish is water. These varnishes used for varnishing maps, pictures, covering for wallpaper, etc. If you felt the video useful and informative, please press the like button, share the video and subscribe the channel. If you want videos of special topics, please write below in the comment box and give me your valuable suggestion. Watch all other uploaded videos to ensure top rank in all the competitive exams.